Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you, we discuss with you how to fix Facebook ads payment failed or card declined. But first, check special offer in the description. So let's get started. So if you want to fix a problem here, just in case your card is being declined by Facebook here, if you're trying to publish an ad here or publishing a campaign, well, the first thing that you want to do is you want to make sure that your card or your account is properly set up. So typically, if you go to adsmanager.facebook.com and log in, and if you go to billings and payments here, you'll have the option to see your payment methods. Now, the thing with payment methods here, this is kind of tricky. You need to make sure that your card is still valid. So that includes your credit card or debit card here. So check the expiration date here, see if it's still valid. And also just make sure that your card has enough funds. So typically, if your card does not have enough funds, well, in this case, business or the ads manager here inside Facebook would actually automatically decline the actual purchase. So again, just make sure you have enough funds. So check your bank account here or your card and see if you have enough. And also, if your card is still valid here and you check the necessary details, well, the next thing that you may want to do here is you may need to reach out to your actual bank. Now, this is kind of tricky. Like, I've experienced this before. So what your bank usually does is, if it's not familiar with a specific platform, let's just say they haven't made any partnership and they haven't verified that specific platform here, sometimes your bank would actually block certain transactions just to be on the safe side. So what you need to do is you want to go and reach out to the customer service for your bank or where you actually got your card, and from then on you could ask them to basically allow, or in this case permit, the transaction or your recent transaction for a specific website. In this case, it's going to be for business Facebook or Facebook business. So in this case, they would ask you a bunch of details about yourself just to be on the safe side, but they will never ask for the CVV at the back of your card. So do not provide that. They will ask for four last digits of your card and also your full name and a few details like your contact details. But once they verify that, they will be able to allow the actual transaction, and that should go through. And that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.